Hello? Okay. Hello everyone, and welcome to Among Us VR. This is my third time trying to record. However, this time there's a slight difference because I realized something. You can't hear everyone in the game. So yeah. If you don't like that, click off. But welcome to Among Us VR. Today we'll be playing the new Polus point. It's technically not available until the 29th, however, I got the beta, which is available from June 27th through July 3rd. If you're watching this video after July 3rd, but before July 27th, I'm so sorry. But we'll be playing Polus points. Hopefully I'll get a couple imposter rounds. If you would like to see my outfit, here it is. I am gray with a little hat. Boop. Anyway, so yeah, you will not be able to hear anyone who plays. I'm so sorry about that. Next time I will try to pick one that you can hear, or at least try to fix it, but now, here we go. Also, yeah, we're okay. At least, maybe I'll try and repeat what they say.
He probably just got his classroom unsubscribed to him.
And I bet he probably
You guys can't
bought
hear
those
those.
too.
The average
people in the
If you
classroom
buy
is
subscribers,
18
you
to
can't get any more.
20.
They stop recommending your
The
channel.
average people in a classroom
What?
is 18, 17, or 20. Actually,
No,
20
I
is a
have
little
like
over.
27 per
or-
class.
or
It just said
16.
The average
15.
people per
Yeah,
class
well, you
is
know how many,
18,
you wanna know how many
17,
subscribers my
20.
channel has?
2.
No, I actually have a YouTube channel.
Oh, I'm actually filming you.
3,000.
Right now.
3,000.
I just realized
Why
Orange
am I
left.
paying?
I have
Million.
721 right now.
Whoa,
Okay,
good job.
That's actually nice.
Wow. I got 3.
I make
Miss
TikToks with
Frizzle.
my friend.
Oh,
I have
what's your
1,000
YouTube channel?
followers.
I shut up,
I have 2,000 followers on
It's
TikTok.
what my username would be if it
2,000.
wasn't cut off.
Wow.
Miss Frizzle.
Dante
My
White.
YouTube channel is
Right
supposed to be
of a
Dante
lifetime.
Leviticus.
Dante live the kiss.
What kind of videos do you make? What kind of videos do you make?
Don't tell him this kid's 4.
Well, right now I want to make normal videos eventually, but right now I'm doing
Mr.
shorts just
Frizzle.
to get subscribers.
That's
Miss
probably a good idea.
Frizzle.
He's Dante live the kiss is making shorts till he
Put
gets
video
subscribers.
task on.
But
I'm
my
currently
one
filming
objective
right
is to
now,
not
Input
so,
filling
like
for
my one
kids.
objective is to not make like cringy videos. I want my videos to be.
Oh yeah,
like,
you
that
gotta
is
work
because
That would
on
not be
that.
good. He says
You
what he
like,
says.
let's be honest. No one starts off by making normal videos. Everyone starts off making cringy videos. Everyone.
Yeah.
Like they do like a weird
It's all
TikTok
cringe,
trend.
all cringe.
They do like a
All
weird
cringe. You don't
TikTok.
even know what's cringe.
Like you can't start off YouTube and not be cringe. Like you're gonna go through
Really?
at least around 20
And if your
videos of
school
cringe
finds
before
out you're
starting to become
screwed, if
normal.
your school finds out about your
It's like
channel
my
and you're
first
making
ever
cringe
real
videos,
video.
Yeah,
you're
if your
Sorry.
school finds out about your channel, you will get shamed.
Yeah, your
No,
entire
don't
school will be in
tell
front of you.
anyone.
And if you had a girlfriend in school, well, you probably didn't. No offense. I mean,
How dare you? claim
you're
I
not
don't
gonna have a
girlfriend?
girlfriend any longer after, is what I'm gonna
How
say.
dare you? It's mean, but true.
Oh,
I'm currently
man.
filming right now. Say hi. I can't
Yeah,
hear
but
you,
chances
so-
are you're gonna get left.
Most likely. Ooh. Anyway, I'm so sorry you guys can't hear them, but it's probably fine. Oh. 60 seconds. Okay. Oh yeah, noted. This one is at random. I've had 60, 50 seconds. Apparently someone's had as low as 5 seconds, which I find a little hard to believe. Hey Pink. Goodbye Pink. But yeah, it's currently just you and me talking to people that thinking. Hopefully I'll have it figured out by my next video, but probably next time, based on what you guys suggest, I can play another VR game, or I can play a Switch game. Because I do have a Switch.
I want my task.
And I can't hear you, so it doesn't matter. I've never done this in the past. This one's slow. Ah, potions. Smart. Alright, let's go reboot the Wi-Fi. But yes, to be honest, this game is very fun. And look at this. Look how cool this looks. I don't have this task, but you could, I'm gonna guess you can move it left and move it down. Be like a little claw machine. And that sounds like so much fun, and I would love to try it. Hey, Pickle.
Pickle. I've never been on this map before.
This is like my first ever time He just said he's never been on this map before. But yeah, hopefully, oh yeah, watch this. Rebooted! Hopefully, I really hope that Among Us had cameras, because that would be so cool and so awesome. But for now, we're stuck with no cameras. Okay, I'm gonna see if... Nope, no skate. Oh my goodness. Who died?
I was right. I was right. I was right.
What were you right
Is
about?
there somebody in here?
O2.
O2?
Dead.
Damn.
You died in
Yep,
O2?
I-
Dang it.
Wait, who was
Yeah,
in the bathroom?
I
Who
said-
was in the bathroom?
I said,
Who was in the bathroom then went to the volcano area?
I was with... I saw Pickle
Fess up.
last.
Honestly, just do your tasks. What's at the bar?
Oh, I'm
I was
done.
watching the TV.
Oh shoot, I'm done too.
So basically,
Who here is done? Who's here still has a bit of tasks
We
left?
went
Wait,
in
who
admin. I saw
was
that
in
someone
toilet? Who was in toilet? Who was in the toilet room?
Who here has any tasks left?
It's one of those guys. That
Oh
went
yeah,
in
he's,
toilet.
he's asking who here has
Not me.
task left.
Orange, do you have any?
I'm brown.
I have a feeling it's
Orange,
orange
do you have
or
any
pink.
tasks
I
left?
trust the brown. I think it's orange or pink.
I'm honestly just gonna vote orange because he's been silent all game.
Same.
I'm skipping. I'm skipping.
Poor Orange.
And I think he was in the.
We're
the
voting
bathroom
him
last
'cause he's
week,
been
but-
silent.
Orange is
Maybe if you
muted,
actually
bro.
had
Ask
vocal
why.
cords, you
Well,
could
for the
defend
few people that actually
Orange
like
is
this
muted.
content,
He's
you would
actually,
like to
like,
see
he
more,
doesn't- he doesn't wipe out.
please do leave
Yeah,
a
Orange,
like.
maybe if you had vocal
Yeah.
cords, you could defend yourself.
Please leave a comment.
Maybe.
Ah,
Why
damn
are
it.
you voting out people?
So yeah,
I don't know.
Who are the
skipped.
few people that are
Wait.
skipping?
this.
I know.
I mean,
we're
there's
the
no,
We
there's
have
no
like 2
reason
tasks.
to vote
We have
orange.
2 tasks left.
No,
Yeah,
but they're
he's
not
been
gonna do their
quiet,
tasks.
so that's why
Whoever
we
the
should
person
vote
with
orange.
tasks still is
We're
just not gonna
talking.
do
Oh
it.
yeah, guys, I forgot to mention this, but
back in
there's
the
secret
admin.
donuts. There's one right there, one right there, and then there's a donut up
Donuts?
there. See, like the little ice donut.
Where?
But yeah, try to find the one in
Oh.
admin.
Admin? Shoot, that one's hard, but... Hold on, where's admin? Okay, yeah. The one in admin is super hard to find.
Find out who it is.
I know where the donut is! It's right here!
Yeah, we know that.
Yeah.
I found it.
Yeah, we know that. Where you
Donut.
guys-
Donut.
Why is everybody in here?
Donut.
What the fuck are you doing?
Who's not in here? Can somebody go check?
Why
I'll be right
is
back.
everybody in here?
Guy.
Yeah, go check it.
The dropship!
Not the boring.
What are you doing not in admin?
Looking for the other secret donuts.
Oh, I haven't found the one in here yet.
What is 54% supposed to mean?
Brown?
I honestly
I decided to
no
come
clue
with
what
you.
54% means.
Iro.
But honestly, like just
all
being
in
inside
admin.
the OG dropship gives me nostalgia. I wish this is where the lobby would start.
That would
I
be
wish there
so
was, like,
nice.
keys. I wish there was keys. I wish you could do the keys. I wish you could do the keys right
The
here. I wish.
keys!
Bro, I don't know why they didn't add that. That would have been so good.
Look, they
Hey,
even
that-
have
that
the
would
little
be-
hat thingy from the original.
Oh, they do.
What?
The hat thingy.
What hat thing? Like this thing?
Instead of
This-
keys, they
this
put
white thing.
freaking scan, even though it's like the worst task in the game.
Oh yeah.
It's not the worst pass.
It's not worse, but...
It's just honestly
like
annoying
it.
sometimes. Because if I
Hey
move
guys,
an
remember
inch, it
when
just messes
Among Us
up.
2 was teased years ago, but it ended up getting canceled?
There wasn't Among Us 2?
Among Us
Yeah, like
2.
back when the original game was getting really popular, they were gonna release Among Us 2, but they canceled it.
Why would they even release
And
Among Us 2? Like,
honestly,
they keep
I'm pretty sure
updating the
Among Us
original.
VR is what Among Us 2 was gonna be.
Yeah, makes the most amount of sense.
Alright, you guys get medbay, I'll get O2.
Oh, okay. Well, now I gotta go a lot further. Huh. Oh. I'm gonna go watch TV. Okay, that's enough of that. Oh, you guys gotta see the med bay, don't if I can
Now
find
they're
it.
You guys get back in admin.
Oh yeah. Snowman. Hey, Pickle.
Hey,
Hello.
that's pretty cool.
There's a donut somewhere. Hold on, did they remove it? Where'd it go? Where's the donut?
Donut, where?
There used to be like a donut
Oh,
right
there's a
over
donut. Yeah, it's right there. There's like a little small thing in the sky. That's pretty cool.
But where is it? Where'd it go?
Hey, green.
Oh. Apparently he spotted it, but I didn't see it. Anyway, it's somewhere I think right
Going.
here. Or right here. Might be that red thing right Also, there's a donut in here. But yeah, that's the secret donut for Med Bay. I haven't found. Apparently, there's a donut in one of these rocks. I haven't found that yet. I don't. Look at this. This is so cool. It's so pretty. There's download. I haven't found the donut here though, so that's what I'm going to find. Have you found the donut here? Over there? I don't see it. Wait. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Orange might kill me. Please don't kill me, Orange.
Alright.
Help.
Yeah, there's a ghost spam opening this door, by the way.
I will go and sacrifice for the greater good.
Why would you just leave this on?
Bro,
the
hurry up.
imposters can't sabotage. The imposters can't sabotage if we leave that on.
That's true.
That's true though. Yeah.
I'm going to walk the plank.
Orange, you are being sus as hell.
Seriously.
Yo, it's the
Someone's
ghost.
not
The
doing
ghost
their
won't finish
task.
your task, bro. It's the ghost.
Bro, Ghost, finish your task.
Oh yeah.
Please,
Booga booga.
actually.
I'm gonna hit
Who's
the
the
button.
ghost?
Should I hit it?
No,
Yeah, hit-
don't
I
hit it,
think
hit
the
it.
ghost is red.
Wait, where's Black at?
Should we kick red?
Alright, I'm just gonna
Oh, there
say
he
this
is,
right now.
there he
I'm
is.
sick of waiting. It's not gonna end.
Yeah, just do it. Just do
That's
it. Just do
lazy.
it.
It's pink.
honestly.
Yeah.
Okay, bye, Pink.
Pi-
I don't-
pickle.
I knew it.
I like pickle.
Pickle.
Sad. I don't want to vote
Bye,
pickle.
Pink.
Too bad, Pickle.
Bye, Pink.
Goodbye, pickle.
Oh,
Voted
right.
pickle.
Honestly,
The
judging by
ghost
how his
has
name is
spoken.
Pickle, he kind of sounds like Pickle Rick.
Ghost has spoken. The ghost
How did you
has
draw that
spoken.
conclusion?
I don't know.
He does not sound
Well-
like Pickle Rick.
Bye bye.
Pickle Red.
Yeah, now that I think about it,
Also,
yeah,
watch
he
this.
doesn't at all.
Oh!
He just dropped down.
Mamma mia.
Bro, why didn't Pickle kill me? I was with him alone
Eh.
so much. Look at me dance. Bum, bum, bum,
I am
bum,
your
bum,
father.
bum, bum.
You hate.
Okay, that's good.
I'm surprised Black found a way to know what I was saying.
I mean, I
Oh,
used
I
that
think
trick
Pickle
myself,
left.
so I know what it was.
We all use it.
I am your.
I am shy.
I was trying to
I
So,
let
yeah.
you guys know.
Is there a secret donut here?
See
No.
you guys opening the door?
Be a long round. I decided to get on my reclinable couch.
Start
Also,
the
who
game.
was the one with who wasn't done their tasks?
It was,
I already did all mine. I did all mine. I did
also, it
all
was a
mine.
crewmate. It was a crewmate.
You guys told me to do my tasks when I was a ghost, and I was trying to tell you guys I already had it done,
Wait.
but I was already a ghost, so I can't.
When you're a ghost, you can pretty much only answer to yes or no questions.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Like you gonna be like, is it pink?
No.
And then he told
Did
me
you
is it
do
pink?
tasks?
Then he
No.
said close the door. If it's pink,
Let's
then
go.
close the door. But then he said
Wait,
to
yeah, I
confirm,
saw
open
it.
it twice. Did you die in
Yeah,
lava
like I
too,
remember
laser?
seeing a really
Alright,
stupid
I'm in.
question
Add
from
two
like
and
there was
put
one kid who
two,
was
put
playing
two.
Charlie
No,
Charlie.
put
Remember
two,
that
put
old
two.
game?
No,
The old
No.
You
Charlie
talked to a
Charlie
ghost.
game?
bro.
Yeah.
What question?
You want to know what he asked?
What do you ask?
What?
Like no, like the
That's an
person
imposter.
telling the game to him literally said, "All right, you have to only ask him yes or no questions." And you want to know the
Bro,
first thing he
there's
said
only
was,
4 tasks.
"Charlie, Charlie, what do you look like?"
Okay,
What
it's
do you
only
look
a yes
like?
or no, so
Only
I
yes
Yeah,
or
I
no.
know.
What do you look like?
yes.
Yes. I wish you guys could hear them. It'd be so much nicer. Wait. Oh, what? Oh! I think I know where I have to go. Do this, little man, rocket. Man, I love this game so much. Imagine if they added airship. Wait, what? Oh, shoot, reactor. Okay, I gotta go this way. Sorry, I have not memorized this map at all. Wait, oh, reactor's not. Plunger! Wait, no. I have to go this way. This game is so confusing. Okay. What? What?
It's not me, guys.
Oh my goodness, this is so weird.
All right,
I was gonna-
say right now who the imposter is.
Bruh.
Who is
Who
it?
is it?
Okay, what?
It's yellow.
Wait,
Why
how?
is it yellow?
Wait,
What
how?
yellow do?
What?
I saw him click the sabotage button during, it was in
How
the
do you
reactor,
see
and I
him
saw him
clicking?
click,
Wait,
and then the door was
how?
locked.
I could just be checking my task. What?
Get him out of here. Get
I was
him
checking my
outta
task.
here.
Wait, can you see hands?
Yellow.
Yes.
Yellow.
I haven't
Yellow.
been paying attention.
I was just checking my task to
Oh
see
yeah,
what to do.
you can always see hands.
Yellow.
Okay, well, next time don't do that, and maybe I
Can we
wouldn't
make
have
it two
done
imposters because it's not really fair for the imposters.
I trust you because you're the host.
If it's not
just
yellow,
checking
then I don't know. I guess I'm gonna look stupid then.
That's true.
You
You will.
Fuck,
look
it's
stupid.
me. Okay, it's me.
Who voted for
Damn.
black?
Yeah, I knew
Who
it.
voted for
I
black?
knew it.
Well,
I
we
knew
figured
it.
it out. That's Blue's Clues. We figured out the adventure.
Oh.
Blue's Clues.
Correction, I figured it out.
add two imposters. Add two
Correction. He
imposters.
figured it out.
Blue's Clues says shut the
Oh no,
fuck
add
up.
two imposters. It's not
Alright,
fair.
let's take off hands, actually. Let's take off hands.
Bro, no
Nah, just don't
one
do
even
that next time.
Yeah, just
That's
be.
more fair.
did
Take
not.
off
Blue's
hands.
Clues says black.
Tuck in your
Shut
hands
up.
into your
Take off
body.
hands and
That's how
add
you
two
do it
imposters.
safely.
Add two imposters and take off hands.
guys,
Oh yeah.
again.
Add two
No,
imposters.
just
Add two
add,
imposters.
just add
Here's
two.
how you
Just
don't
take
get
off
caught
hands.
sabotaging.
That's it. That's
It's
all.
easy.
I
Here's
No,
how
no
you don't
need
get
to
caught
do that.
sabotaging with hands. Here's how you don't get caught.
Add two
Tuck your
imposters.
hands into your body and then do it.
Add two imposters. It doesn't
Yeah, add two
matter.
imposters. Add two
Add
imposters.
Okay, fine. I'll do two for one round, but then I'm putting it back to one.
Yay,
Why?
two.
Just take the hands out. Is that okay if you take the hands
Wait,
out?
I have an
You
idea.
love two imposters.
No, the
Depending
hands
on the
are-
height
the
you
hands
are, they
apart.
should make it
Hands
that,
are
like,
apart.
if you're short,
Also, I'm
they
turning
should
off
make
show
your short
ejections
moments.
roll, so we don't actually know if we got the
Blam.
correct people out.
Oh, that's smart.
That's a little bit of a bull.
You took off
Oh,
ejection, if you guys were wondering.
That's bullshit.
Shut up. Shut up.
Okay.
Dang it.
Sussy Baka. I'm a Sussy
Don't
Baka.
ever say
I'm an
those two
imposter.
words again.
Never say
I'm
that.
sorry. I'm sorry.
Wait, is visual test on?
I don't. I
yeah,
think
no.
so. Wait, do I have? Where's my task? Where's my task? Wait, what? Where? Is it over here, maybe? It is. Oh, it's download.
Oh, wait,
I don't
you
want
have
to
trash? Oh, wait, I
download. Ugh. Hey, gray. I meant orange. I did it! Yay! Oh, I did this.
There you go. I'll clear you then, I guess. You can clear me.
Wait, no. I want to go over that. Hey, Red. Do I have telescope? I have telescope! I love telescope! I have to find the comet. So you gotta like twist these things and then you find it. Let's see if I can down the donut. I think the comet.
I forgot where the donut was. I had to do the comment.
Oh. You can find the donut somewhere. I also had to do the comet. Wait, where are you? Hello? Friend!
Hello? Hey.
Wait, you're not who... Who was I talking to? Where did they go? What? Huh? What? Okay, do I have to... I have to do the Wi-Fi. Let's see how fast it takes. 40 seconds? Pretty good. I'll come back in like 40 seconds. Hooray! Downloading! Because this is fun! Right, Pink? Oh, goodbye, Pink. Yep. It is fun. I feel so bad for you guys because you just can't hear them. But anyway. I like the noise they got. Boop, boop. Oh, just 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
Hey, Brown.
2.
Why'd
Wait,
you do
no!
Yo!
I need
I
to
was
reboot
a brown
the
and red.
Wi-Fi, you mean?
I was a brown and red.
Alright,
did it?
well,
Who did it?
Cyan killed right in front of me.
Oh.
No, you did. It's
Alright.
Brian. It's
Well,
not Brian.
Nah,
Not
he
Brian.
did.
Yeah, I
Black
got
and
cleared
trash.
at the start,
Black and
Cyan, so you
trash.
just made a fatal error.
Yeah. Hi,
Fatal
Cyan.
error.
Fatal error.
Hey,
I
Cyan,
did.
wait, just
Such a
admit it,
black
Cyan. Just admit it, because
gray,
everybody's about to
whatever.
vote you out, so just admit
Well,
it.
yeah.
Are you gonna?
Yeah.
It's you?
Ha, you idiot, it wouldn't have
What,
shown.
death animation?
It means
If you
that
kept your mouth shut,
away.
we wouldn't have been able to tell if you were the imposter or not.
It
way,
means
really
that
anyway.
I have
I mean, I would have known, but no one else else would have known, but now you just revealed it.
By the way, Blue's the imposter. Blue's
You could have
imposter.
used this tip and
Blue's
tuck your
imposter.
arms then. You could have used
Either
this
you,
tip.
Yeah,
Bro, that's not what he
either
did.
you
Yeah,
stay
yeah,
really
but I'm trying to
imposter, or
Yeah,
you're
he hasn't
right
done
there for
anything.
running him out.
He hasn't done anything.
Yeah, I've been trying to calibrate my right controller. It's got terrible
As
stick
soon as
grip.
Cyan was trying to
I'm
move
not-
out,
every time
I knew it was
I
Cyan.
die, I'm just gonna recline my couch.
If you guys hear me
After
shout,
that,
it's
you're
fine.
gonna
I got,
to shout
there's
over
no way
how
I'm sitting
many
Blue, are
here
you
like
gonna vote?
that.
Cyan.
There's just so many of them.
Oh, wait.
I'm kind of sad, but kind of glad you can hear them.
Cyan?
Alright,
Who wants to play with me?
Cyan,
We
you
promise
see
you.
me?
Alright, goodbye, guys. You guys wanna play
Wow,
with
look
me?
at that. There goes Cyan. Never to be seen again.
I'm not gonna play a card I have, but I have a card.
Bye
Oh,
bye.
Belly flop.
Poor guy.
Belly
melted.
flop.
They're like,
Poor guy died, bro. He hit the 2 rocks.
oh, he
and
was
died.
ejected. I wonder if he was the imposter.
I wonder if he was
It was
imposter or
even
not.
I
imposter.
guess we'll
not.
never know.
Well,
never know.
I
Dang
know who
it.
was, but you guys don't.
Hurry. No, you fool. Oh,
The buffoons.
dang it. Oh, it's fine.
Bahoon.
Wait, hold on. I gotta go over there. This is so confusing. Run, 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 run. Please tell me I don't have to restart. Please, yes. Look. Wi-Fi's back on. Guys. Wait, where are they? Please don't tell me I'm alone again. Alright, guys. I'm gonna be completely honest. I'm going to play until I get the imposter. Hey, Yellow.
Hey, bro.
I turned back on the Wi-Fi.
Sweet.
Also, this phone will ring after every once in a while.
Oh, okay.
Boop, boop. I wish you could pick it up. It'd be so cool.
Yeah.
Have you found the donut in here? Uh-oh, I gotta go fix that.
Oh,
Wait, hold on. Can I
that's
actually see?
exciting.
You can actually see the hand.
Wait, what? Wait.
Wait, oh shoot, we gotta go this way? This game is
I was
confusing.
with Black alone. I would have killed Black. You know that.
You would've killed Black if he was alone.
Oh wow.
What?
That's racist.
Yeah.
If you're racist, bro, is it because I'm red?
Oh, wow.
No.
What was that?
Alright, have me back.
I tried. Uh-oh, that's what it was.
How was that
I
racist?
trust yellow.
Okay,
Stay
so
with
what
yellow.
feel like
Yeah, I don't trust
it's-
yellow either.
What? Wait, you trust or you don't trust?
I
Don't
trust
trust.
yellow.
Don't.
I trust him.
Don't.
I think he's good.
I was a brown.
You guys except Black.
I don't really know who to believe.
Why
I was
is it
just
me?
freaking doing. Oh my god. Back up.
Black did garbage.
Did anyone see anyone's hands click
Back up.
something just now?
Oh,
No.
Okay,
Alright.
next time we're in a group, I'm gonna stare. I'm gonna stalk everybody and wait. I'm gonna see if I.
Oh, fudge.
oh, sabotaging. I got Ocho.
bro.
Maybe.
I'm trying to prove my innocence.
Was that
but-
purple?
I
think I saw
got the
purple.
one on the right. I have the one on the right.
Okay, hurry.
Oh,
To O2, to O2, to O2.
Okay, 0.
Triangle, plus, plus, plus.
Oh, my
Oh,
bad.
shoot,
Triangle
no.
plus.
Oh, I screwed
Got
it
it.
up so
Oh,
much.
jeez. Alright, I'm heading back to admin, y'all.
Okay, that's what I'm gonna do.
Back to admin.
Add
Hey,
mono.
one task left. Let's go. One
Okay, we're
task
here.
left. One task
I'm
left.
so cool. I was just.
Alright,
let me in.
GG.
Yeah!
Go.
Who was the imposter?
It
Well,
was blue. I know it. He was so sus.
I literally
flipped
said
my
it like
switch.
50 All I had to do was turn on my
times.
lights and I did it.
Bro,
All I had to do-
Simon,
Yeah,
Give it
all Red
away.
had to do was
Were
turn on
none
the
of y'all
Wi-Fi so we could
listening?
watch Hentai and we won.
No, it wasn't.
I'm literally watching a
I already
Griffin.
turned on the
Literally, I
Wi-Fi.
said 15
I'm literally watching a Griffin live stream.
Oh, really? Donut.
Yep.
Fuck
Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up.
No thanks, I'm straight. No thanks, I'm straight.
Wow.
Okay, yeah. Maybe you're.
Man, I'm tired.
Oh, I
have
have
to
extract
do?
crystal. I have extract crystal.
Who would want to humiliate? I'm gonna be lonely during this round.
Not
Like,
centrifuges. What the? What? Whoa.
I got download here.
Oh, you do? Download. 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 Download.
Wait, I saw you last match.
Yeah. We were here last
Wow, it's good to see you again.
Nice to see you.
No,
again.
like
I-
remember the other lobby.
Oh wait, yeah. Ah, I'm gonna go fix lights. Can't
Okay.
see blind. Let's go this way. Hey, Pink.
To the wrong way.
Where's lights? There's light over here. Thank you, mister.
Oh, thanks. I don't trust purple anymore. Oh God. Well, now
Let
I
me
don't trust
out.
you.
Yeah, honestly, just find wherever, like, if you see any imposter, like, or just anyone clicking a bunch of things,
Just.
Blue, you're allowed to leave that and come back later.
Yeah, you know what?
You're not gonna
Just-
sit there for a minute. You're not gonna sit there for a minute, bro. You got in 1 minute. You could probably get a lot of tasks done,
Yeah.
or at least get close.
Where am I going? I'm going the wrong way. I'm an idiot. I'm a fool. Is someone following me? Not again. Run, 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 run. I did it! Okay, I got it. Oh,
Oh.
is that why?
Everybody was
I'm
an
colorblind.
admin. I
Oh,
was,
yeah,
hold up.
I'm
You know where I was trying to go? I was trying to
I
go
was
to my
with,
task, like, the
Cyan.
very top left to
What?
reboot the Wi-Fi.
I turned on lights.
I was
Wait,
listen. I was going to reboot the Wi-Fi. I went through the admin and I just saw
Okay,
Cyan's dead
admin.
body in there.
Yellow.
So it was an admin, correct?
Okay,
Yeah,
did
it was,
anyone
the
see
dead body
anyone
was an
click
admin.
anything?
I went through admin.
I
and
clicked the
tried to,
Wi-Fi
go to my
password.
reboot the Wi-Fi.
I clicked the Wi-Fi.
Okay.
I didn't know the
I'm talking
password
like
though.
sabotage.
I was turning on the lights.
No,
Wait,
no, I
wait,
flipped the
guys,
light.
I just turned on the
basically.
lights.
Guys.
What?
Wait.
What?
We just saw Blue past us, and now he's dead.
So, did
Who's with
anyone
Blue?
go with him?
I was
was
with
with
Yellow. I was with
I
Yellow.
wasn't really
We
with
both
anybody.
did,
I've seen red,
tasks
like,
that we
What
did
about
that
pink? Is
visual.
pink cleared
I
for
wasn't-
anything?
I've
And
seen
we just
black,
passed Blue, and now he's
Pink
dead.
is just pink.
Green is
Who's
cleared.
behind us?
Green is cleared.
Hold
Green
on,
is
who did
cleared.
the claw machine? Who
I
did
think
the
I
claw
saw,
machine?
like,
I'm clear.
black.
I'm clear. I
did
did
it.
tasks. I'm
Oh yeah, you
clear.
did the claw machine. I was there.
Same.
Okay, I think we should vote out pink because pink has
I
like
think
no
the dead body's
alibis,
been
no
there
ways
for
of
a
clearing
while.
himself.
Pink is just
Well,
pink.
pink
always
is just
sits there
blind.
when
Pretty much
when-
no one has seen pink at any
Wait,
point.
Yellow.
I'm sorry, Pink.
I was
I'm
agreeing.
blind.
I
You
think
deserve
the
your
dead. Hold
failure.
on, you know what I think? I think the dead body's been there for a while.
Every
so,
time you're imposter, you're
I
always
haven't
by
seen
yourself,
it.
just sitting there in the corner like
Yeah.
I
this.
think it's pink.
I
You're
was
just
by
sitting
myself.
Just. Wait.
Alright.
Oh, green
And since
vote.
we don't
Where's
know
green?
if we actually voted out the correct imposter, I think we
I
should
have
be
no
a lot
clue
more
if we did.
careful.
Wait,
Because
is
we
there
could have
two
just voted
imposters?
out someone random.
Yeah,
Oh,
there's
we're
two
on
imposters
7.
and it's
Shoot.
confirm ejects are off.
Should we have voted
Someone
someone out on
behind us
7?
that killed.
Okay, let's.
You just passed
I don't know if it's
Oh,
is it-
that
hit
did
the
not
rock.
look. Bro,
Yeah,
hit
that
the
was the
rock.
Okay,
rock.
I don't
I
know.
think
We
it's
don't know.
pink.
We don't know.
I think
I
it was
think
pink.
we
Keep
lost.
doing your tasks. Keep doing your tasks.
Alright, I'm gonna do my
I have
test.
2 tasks left.
And
Why the
spin.
hell would you
I'll
sabotage
take care of
lights
lights.
right here?
I'll take care of it.
Whoever did that, you're not very smart. Whoever did that, you're
Wait,
not very
God,
smart.
I'm
wait,
doing my
who-
tasks.
Alright, I'm
now.
leaving, I
gonna
guess.
select-
Oh
Wait,
no!
who's left?
Oh hell no!
Who's left?
Oh hell no! Oh hell no!
Hi.
Come here! I'm staying by someone just so I don't die.
I'm gonna go this way. Hey, the door.
Yellow.
I'm
Open.
following everybody. I'm gonna follow you.
Oh, I got one over
I'm
here.
following Brown because I trust you.
Thank you.
Never mind, I don't trust Brown.
Yeah, I think
Oh,
Brown's
I got
good.
it.
1, 2, 3, boom.
Oh,
Other way, other way, other way, other way.
hurry, hurry, hurry.
I gotta go drop ship. And that's my last task.
Alright.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yay!
he saved us.
Wait, why did I say yeah? I'm confused.
Why?
It's not green.
I
Click-
fixed the sabotage. I fixed
What do you think
the
it is,
sabotage.
Brad?
Did anyone
Black?
see anyone click
I
that?
fixed the first step. I fixed the
No.
one in medbay.
I was with green, I was with brown.
Yeah,
I
because I
was
feel
with
like we're about
yellow
to get
and
double
green.
killed.
What?
The imposters need
Wait,
a
is it
double
just
kill
Yeah,
to
double
win.
killed. We
Yeah.
voted out. I
Wait, is
think,
it just one
I
imposter
think
or two?
We voted out.
If there
I
is
voted for
2
one.
imposters, they need a double
Okay,
kill.
I don't know
So
who
should
to
we vote
vote
someone
out.
out?
I do not. I think I should
I'm voting
skip. I don't
brown.
know. Like,
Okay, who here still
voting?
has tasks? Raise your hand.
Okay, who's super
voting
stupid
brown.
in this lobby?
Wait,
Like,
what?
who,
I saw
who,
tasks.
who is?
I
I
just
voted
did my
purple
last
then.
task. It was the telescope.
I'm done with my tasks. I'm done with
Same,
my
I
tasks.
did my last.
I think
I'm
either
done-
green or yellow can vouch for me. Uh oh, my headset power's low. That would be
I'm
very
You're
skipping.
not
nice.
even done?
I'm gonna skip 2.
I have 2
I'm a
left,
skip.
but they're both pretty easy.
Skip it.
Why do I?
Oh, so we have a last task.
If
basically.
there's
I
two
have one
imposters,
more.
why
I
the
have one
freak would
more,
green
Brad.
vote for brown? That's so random.
I think it's brown.
Oh,
Why?
that right there just is suspicious.
I was with you, Green.
That's suspicious.
Suspicious.
No one.
Let me plug in my headset real quick. Let me plug in my headset.
Oh, come on.
Plug in my headset.
That's really
How original. I'm gonna go to O2. Dang it, someone already did O2. And,
Alright, there you go.
take my job.
Alright, I'm gonna head to admin.
Why did you say dang it?
I wanted to push the buttons.
I don't trust brown.
I like pushing the buttons, they're fun.
Yellow, it doesn't have to be right here.
What happened?
He's
Whoa.
clear. He did
I was just
visual.
showing him I wasn't the imposter. Watch. There,
It's
see?
either
Okay, I know
brown or
that's not
purple.
proof, but
It's either
I was
brown or
agreeing.
purple.
It's not me.
either brown or
Oh, we
purple.
gotta fix that. Let's go.
It's brown or purple.
What did I
It's
do?
not purple. It's not purple.
I'm pretty
It's
sure
not
we were right
purple.
about getting pink out,
It ain't
honestly.
me.
That's what I think too. Wait for
It's
me.
either brown or purple. Should we hit the button? Oh,
I don't
frick.
want to.
God damn it.
We have one task left. Who the hell here has the last task?
I think it's brown.
Why?
I think it's
One,
Let's
one
see if it
task
goes.
left.
We have
There's a task,
one
there's
task
a
left.
task.
Just finish it.
It's either
No!
Yes. It was
It was brown.
Guys, I had to upload.
I didn't-
Guys, I had to upload. That's
Yeah,
what
but
I
Brown,
didn't get a
was your teammate
single
pink?
kill. I
Brown,
didn't do
was
a
your teammate
single
pink?
thing.
Right,
Go. It was pink.
I
Pink
already
will
said
be
you were
there.
I was gonna
See?
sabotage lights and kill someone, but then
Someone
Pink
did.
kept doing all the sabotages, and I couldn't do anything.
I was
Yeah,
right.
pink.
I was right
Little tip of
behind.
advice: don't
like to
spam
say
sabotages
such-
when
I
you're
say
dead. It just screws up
Yeah,
your
you
teammates.
spam, yeah,
Hey, yellow.
yeah,
It
spam
doesn't
sabotages
do
when you're
It
dead, like
literally
you
helps.
Yes, it
like,
does.
No, it doesn't.
Like,
It
let's say a
doesn't.
plan to lock someone in, and you
was
lock
staying
everyone else in.
together. He was
Exactly,
staying with two
that's the
people like an
problem.
idiot. You running with a team. Why would you do that? You're not gonna split
Spamming,
up.
use sabotages that would be useful to your teammate, and don't just spam them because you can.
I know. Spamming
I was gonna
sabotages
turn off
is
lights because I
useless.
you
saw
for your
the
help.
Makes-
I
it
didn't
makes
ask
you
run that
able
way.
not to use
And
it.
then
It
a
makes
door
the people
closes,
alive not
and I
be able
can't
to use
kill him.
sabotages.
Yeah, if you spam
Either way,
sabotages,
I was
that's how you
gonna
screw
lose
up yourself
'cause
and
there
your
was
team.
one task,
Yeah.
and a ghost had it. I feel like I would have been better if I just killed someone on the spot.
Yeah.
Shut up. Shut up.
Everybody shut up. I'm not the imposter.
What the freak?
I'm not the imposter. That's
I
why
want at
shut
least
up.
one successful imposter. That would be.
I did!
I want to be imposter. Did somebody lock the doors? I heard that.
Still gonna be fine. So
Wait, but I'm not the
Can I get over
imposter.
there? No.
Someone just do my task.
Sign,
just have a teammate.
Want to vote someone out? I'm looking for.
Oh, whoa! What? Wait! Why are you guys saying you want to vote someone out?
Because I'm bored and I have to go.
I just need a teammate. Hold up. I just need a teammate.
Who should we vote
I got no
out?
scan.
Who do you think is the
Already?
most suspicious?
It's
Yellow.
not. It's not me.
I
Who do you
just.
think we should vote out?
I just did this task.
Cyan. Who do you
That's
think we
fine.
should vote out?
That's fine.
Yellow because he just said me.
Who do you think?
Yellow
Yellow?
because he
I like
said
yellow.
I want
Let's not
to
vote.
Yellow?
Let's not vote yellow. Like,
Yeah,
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 yellow's
he-
nice.
he-
He's cool.
yeah, he's nice.
Bro, who keeps
should we
locking all
vote
the
out?
doors? Whoever's the freaking imposter is probably.
I do not know.
How about red?
Alright, now I'm done my tasks.
We're gonna go vote out red for no reason. Just
Why
because.
exactly are we voting out red?
I don't know. I'm just
Fair
doing
enough,
it because
I
I'm
guess.
bored.
Red might be the sussest color ever.
That is true. That is from the unremotely true. It'd be funny if red was just dead. But I have this. There's this red is the sussest color. Oh, wow, they're like a little line. So cool. Oh, tell me I have that trash. Tell me I have that trash.
Hold on, guys.
What's-
I think it's pink because pink keeps spamming the sabotages.
Oh, let's go!
You're so lucky.
I have no clue. I don't.
You have
How does
to
this work?
grab that. Here, I'll watch you.
It works?
You're avoided. Yep, you're good.
done it! Let's go!
Woo! Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for. That's what it's all about.
Wait for baby. Woo!
Alright.
Whoa, kind of cool. I have one more task. I'm going to stick with you because you are a friend.
Okay, I literally have 4. Oh my god.
Oh wow, you have a lot. I think you're like the last full player.
Yeah.
I got it.
And, thank you to the stupidest imposter ever.
Fool. I think it's honestly Pink. Pink screwed me over so much last round.
Hey, bro. Honestly, Pink might be like the worst imposter.
Guys, I'm behind the door and it's not me.
No, I think
Because
it's
Pink
no
killed
reason
me
at
at admin. Okay.
People think it's me besides from following people, but no, I'm just done with tasks. And I would have killed
Green!
Yellow. I
Oh
would
my
have.
goodness, black and green!
Where was the body?
Not the host.
Med bay. The body was in med bay. 2 of them. There's double kill. Double.
Oh.
I was with Cyan most of that round.
Pink the
We
entire
came
time.
up
I
right
saw
at the
brown
end.
and red. They're fine.
I don't
actually
think it's
thought it
yellow.
was
I think
pink,
it's
but I was, like,
pink, and I
kinda
think
with
it's
it the
blue.
entire
But I
time,
think
so
it's
it
blue
can't be her.
first because it's been
Weren't you with
sabotaging
me
a lot. I think
sometimes,
sabotage a
Purple?
lot
Yeah,
last.
sometimes.
No,
What do
I
you-
purple.
I
I
did
did
it.
it.
Wait, was he like in the club? No, not the
I
club.
spent most of the
I
night.
think you meant
You said it was
yeah.
You said it was like pink. You said it was like pink.
I think it's
I
pink
thought it was
because
pink.
one,
I spent
I don't
a
think
little
it's
time with
yellow.
pink,
I was
and
with
it's not
Cyan
her.
and I saw
Because,
red at the end.
the bodies were reported while we was walking
Yeah.
together.
I was
And
with
I think it's
brown
sabotaging
and
a lot.
red.
I'm trying to
Didn't do
Been a
anything.
lot of
He's
sabotaging
fine.
this round.
Honestly, I would have killed Yellow. I would have killed Yellow. I was watching Yellow just to make sure.
I think it's
I was
pink.
watching
I
Yellow.
opportunities to kill
Honestly,
me.
yeah,
Okay,
I
you're
haven't
safe,
seen
Fred.
Red, but I'm not impossible.
I haven't seen
I don't
pink.
think
But
so.
guys, let me speak for a minute. Guys, let me speak
Okay.
for a minute. It's not Yellow. Besides, I was watching Yellow. Yellow was just doing his task by
There
himself.
was
So it's
one
not. It's not
sabotage.
honestly.
What the
No,
I
fuck?
just
what
realized
does
2
that
people
mean?
I think
died.
it's Nick,
There's not
Pink
one
and Jordy.
sabotage, bro. What do you mean by
What
that?
I do?
He
I
said
think
it's
it's
me
brown.
because there
Brown's
was so
freaking
many
accusing people.
sabotages.
Why you accusing
No,
me?
I've been with Cyan.
Okay,
Cyan
I'm
can
gonna skip.
verify
I'm
my
gonna
story.
skip. Should we skip?
Yeah,
I voted pink.
I'm skipping.
I voted pink too because I haven't seen a lot
I'm
of
skipping.
pink.
I'm
I
skipping.
haven't
Yeah,
seen a lot of
neither
pink
have
or
I.
Jordy, really.
Anything.
No!
I'm not even sure if I've seen pink the
Doesn't
entire
matter.
Oh god
round.
dang it, it's a tie!
I saw him a couple of times.
The map is huge. Talking
It
about
just says
red
no
is
one was
pink.
I know, it's hella
ejected.
huge.
I'm sticking with
I've
Cyan.
already done my
Because
tasks.
Cyan.
I'm headed to
Alright,
admin.
maybe.
I also have to do
okay.
stuff in med bay. Hold on. Hey man! What am I going to? Oh, -10.
Bro, what? Bro.
-9. That is -10, not -9. Hey Cyan.
Oh, okay,
Friend.
okay.
I have nothing to do, so
Yeah.
I'm calling you.
Become the best friend.
Your best friend.
We need
I love how the map
to-
just assembles. Wait, don't leave me.
I think I'm going through the wrong way. I think we'll get there.
You know what's funny, Cyan? I'm currently filming
What?
a video, except they can't hear you.
What?
So like, you know how you can
Okay.
record stuff, right?
Yeah.
Filming a video, but
On like MetaQuest, you know?
yeah. I'm recording, but
Alright,
they can't
so-
hear you. It's so weird. To me, you're just.
One. Just one.
Alright.
Hi, friend.
Just the.
It's
not me.
brown, it's brown, it's brown,
Well,
it's brown,
no,
it's brown.
no,
It's
that's
brown,
that's
it's literally
definitely purple. That's
It's
purple.
deep
No,
brown.
not pink.
Okay,
Yeah,
let me
blue.
explain, let me explain. Let me
No,
explain.
that
let me
no,
ex-
you don't kill Cyan. You don't kill Cyan in front of me, man.
Okay,
You don't
okay,
kill Cyan,
okay,
my
let
best
me
friend.
explain.
You know I'd never kill Cyan,
Okay.
man.
Chill, chill. Shut
I
up.
think it's Jordy. It's,
So,
I don't
Oh
think.
my
I
gosh,
know
Brown,
it's Jordy.
can you
It is
shut up?
Jordy.
Let me
100%.
talk. Let me
Vote
talk.
Jordy.
No, Brown's
You don't
talking
get
too
to
much.
talk.
He
You
knows.
killed Cyan.
No, let me talk. Let me talk. Let me
You
talk.
don't get
So,
to talk.
Brown,
You killed
It was
Cyan.
not-
Brown was sussing me. He was sussing me, right? So, like when I was in the room with him, he killed Cyan, right? Yeah, it was Cyan.
It's,
And then he tried to
you're
tried to
going
blame it on me.
lose. You're
So
going
he's trying to
to
blame it on
lose.
me. He's trying to blame it on me. He's trying to blame it on me.
Red.
Vote.
Red.
Hey,
Please
vote for Brown.
Jordy.
Vote for Brown. Vote for Brown.
Please vote Jordy. I
Brown.
beg of you.
It's not me.
Yes! Thank you, Nikki! Thank you so much!
No problem.
And because of this, there are 4 people, but there's gonna be 1 imposter left, and we're not gonna lose. And this will prove my innocence. Watch. We didn't lose!
I'm going to admin, yo.
Bro, I'm sticking with yellow.
Stay safe.
Stay safe. And to med bay. Plus, circle, triangle, oh. Oh, there you go.
Oh, we gotta go that one.
You're going the wrong way, you fool. Oh, who did it? Hi, Red. I'm gonna stick with you.
I don't trust you. But if I die by you, I can recline my chair, so. Sure, you can kill me if you want.
Wait, you're in a reclining
Wait.
chair?
Yes.
Nice. If you die, you get to recline. He gets to recline. I have
already
no
did
clue
all
how
my
long this video will
tasks.
be.
I already did all
Oh,
my
bro,
tasks.
this game is so much fun right here. This game is so much fun. You get to.
Oh, wait.
It's so much fun. It's like a little claw machine. I wish you.
I wish I could do it. I thought this button was yellow, so I thought I could do it, but I can't.
No, I did it earlier. Is the gem gone for you?
Oh, come on, Brown.
Bro, I'm not
do
gonna.
this.
I promise you. I promise you, I'm not gonna. All right, let's
come
go.
on,
Oh, we're
Brown.
actually really close.
Brown, I
I got
really
you, I
don't
got
want to
you.
die by you.
Dang it!
I would feel ashamed if I were to die by you.
Don't worry, bro. I never kill you. This game is my last one anyway.
How come?
No, I'm making a video right now, except they can't hear you, and of course. So like, they can hear me, but they can't hear you, which is why I narrate things like, "Oh, he's gonna recline if I kill
Wait,
him."
I have an idea. I think there's an imposter that's a ghost and they're sabotaging. Because if you're a ghost, you can still sabotage. So I think
Yeah.
they're closing the doors on us. And I
That's
see
what I
you're not
think.
opening menus, so it can't be you either.
No.
Oh, yep, it's
And lights are out.
definitely. It's
Wait, I know where to go. Huh. I memorized this part of the map. I'm big brain.
We're always at the exact same spot. Why are people doing this?
Did it?
Oh.
I think.
Okay, there's a ghost that's closing doors.
I know.
Oh my god, you guys
Dang
got no
it!
Pink. He voted
I
with
knew it!
Yes, yes, Pink, yes.
You guys not
called
see
it.
that he
I
voted with his
literally called
teammate.
it. I
Oh,
called
it's
it.
not with my task, though!
I knew it.
Purple, I thought we had trust.
Yeah, we
Purple.
did.
It was so sad.
No,
Well, anyway,
no,
I-
you guys
You,
did
you guys
not.
should have pressed the button. You had a
Shut up.
chance.
Shut. I couldn't.
Y'all
The
should
lights
have
went
pressed
out.
the
Anyway.
button when you had the chance to. Y'all
Why am
messed
I
up
always
big
grooming?
time.
Why is there only one imposter? I didn't change it back.
Wait.
I'm
Wait.
quitting. Goodbye.
Oh, wait.
All right. You guys still recording? Okay. Hi, this isn't what I actually look like, as you could tell by the video I made yesterday. Thank you guys for watching so much. It was a lot of fun to make. I don't know how long this video will be. Probably like 20 minutes. You leave a like, subscribe. Comment Sky Portal if you made it this far, or just don't comment at all. It's fine by me. Thank you guys for watching. See ya.